I'm Kelly Hazouri. I'm one of the owners of Big Alum Bowls food truck along with Brendan Schneck, and we're both Flagler alums. We actually moved to the Big Island in Hawaii after graduating and worked for a wilderness therapy program for troubled teens called Pacific Quest. It was really focused on the mind-body connection and how important taking care of your mind and body is. We became really passionate about nutrient-dense food and taking care of your body. So we started a food truck called Big Alum Bowls. We specialize in organic, fresh acai bowls and smoothies, and soon to come to the menu is fresh poke bowls. The menu item that we're going to do today is going to be my favorite snack, really high in protein, so easy to take on the go. Fresh organic avocado bruschetta toast, perfect for a meal or a snack, so easy to prepare in your room so you can eat healthy while you're busy with your schedule.